Hello friends, hearty welcome to you. We are continuing with problems on second order derivatives. Let's try to solve some interesting examples in this session. So we have been given x equal to a into cos theta plus 3 theta sin theta, y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. We have to find out d square x by d theta square, d square y by d theta square, and also d square y by dx square. So let's do them one by one. First we will take d square x by d theta square. So can I say dx by d theta equal to, let's apply derivative on that, that's equal to, can I say a into d by d theta of cos theta plus d by d theta of theta sin theta, which is equal to a into d by d theta of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta plus d by d theta of theta into sin theta. We have uv form, so u theta into v dash, that is cos theta, plus uv dash plus v into u dash, that is equal to sin theta into 1. If you simplify, that's equal to theta into cos theta. We have theta into cos theta. So let us see then what is dy by d theta. Dy by d theta equal to a into d by d theta of sin theta minus d by d theta of theta cos theta, which is equal to a into d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta minus d by d theta of theta u into v again, so u into v dash, I can say theta minus sin theta, theta into minus sin theta, we'll keep a outside here. So we have d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta minus of theta into cos theta, so theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, plus cos theta into derivative of theta is 1. So we have, that's equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta minus cos theta, because we have everything in bracket there, which is equal to a into theta into sin theta. Here it is a into theta into cos theta. So we got dx by d theta, we got dy by d theta. Let's write it down. Now let's find out what is d square x by d theta square, that is equal to d by d theta of dx by d theta, that's equal to a into d by d theta of theta cos theta. We have to differentiate again, so that is equal to a into theta cos theta, again uv format, so we will have theta derivative is 1 cos theta plus theta derivative is 1 and sin theta is minus sin theta. So we can write it as a into cos theta minus theta sin theta. Let me do it again. uv format, u into v dash, so cos theta into theta is derivative is 1 plus theta into cos theta is minus sin theta. So this becomes a into cos theta minus theta sin theta, that is d square x by d theta square. Let's find out what is d square y by d theta square. For that I will have d by d theta of dy by d theta, which is derivative of a into d by d theta of, because dy by d theta is a into theta sin theta, I should do derivative of d by d theta of theta sin theta, which is equal to a into, if I take theta as u into v dash, that is cos theta plus sin theta, or can I write it as a into, can I write it as a into sin theta plus theta cos theta, a into sin theta plus theta cos theta. So that is d square y by dx square, d square y by d theta square, and d square x by d theta square. We have done these two. Let's try to do now d square y by dx square. First, to find out d square y by dx square, I should know what is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, that's equal to dy by d theta is equal to a into theta sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into theta cos theta. I can cancel, I will have tan theta. So then we have to find out d square y by dx square, that's nothing but equal to d by dx of dy by dx, which is equal to d by d theta of dy by dx divided by dx by d theta. How we have written here? Same, instead of y we have to put dy by dx, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Instead of y it is now dy by dx. So dy by dx d by d theta, that is nothing but d by d theta of tan theta divided by dx by d theta. We know that dx by d theta is equal to a theta cos theta. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta divided by a theta cos theta, which is equal to secant cube theta divided by a into theta. So that is d square y by dx square. This has to be very clear. When we want to find out d square y by dx square in case of parametric functions, we have to do dy by d theta by dx by d theta. When we want to go for d square y, instead of y we will be getting dy by dx, but remaining formula will be the same. So d square y by dx square equal to d by d theta of dy by dx divided by dx by d theta, which is nothing but equal to d by d theta of tan theta by dx by d theta we know is a theta cos theta. So in the next session we'll try to do some more examples as part of second order derivatives. I'll catch you again in the next session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.